In today's tutorial, we are going to create an amazing Brazil flag face paint effect in Photoshop. As you can see, we have our Brazil flag image and the portrait photo. Right click on the canvas and enable show contextual text bar. Click remove background to separate the subject quickly and choose convert to smart object. Duplicate the layer. Go to image, adjustment, black and white. From the preset option, select infrared for a dramatic lighting effect. Next, go to filter gallery, open texture and choose craquelure to add realistic skin texture and artistic details. Now open the Brazil flag image and place it over the face. Right click on the flag layer and select create clipping mask. Then go to blending mode and change it to overlay. Now select the face layer and click the layer mask icon. Keep the default foreground and background color setting. Choose the brush tool and carefully paint away any unwanted area to blend the effect naturally. Your creative Brazil flag face paint effect is now complete. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Photoshop effect and creative editing tutorial.